Hey everyone, I have just finished filming this look using this palette. Let's just say I love this palette. And sticking with the Revolution theme, I have a few unboxing videos to do. So I'm going to first start with, I don't know how I'm going to get this in the frame, but this one. The big chocolate heart. So I'm going to start with that one. So yeah, so it comes in this big packaging like this. It's just a red heart. And there was like a piece of paper, but I took that off. And then when you open it up, you can get rid of the top. You have 3 palettes and a new highlighter. I think I have one of these palettes, so I'm just going to give it away. So the first palette is the palette called Honey. And in this, you get a load of shimmery shades. This is what Honey looks like. And it just comes in this lovely like caramelized chocolate bar finish with like the mustard yellow around it. It doesn't come in the box. All the I Heart Revolution palettes don't come in boxes, which is fine because to be fair, I usually just throw them away now because I've got 4 of these sets of drawers and there's just too much bulkiness when you keep packaging. So yeah, I do love this, and all the names, so like Honeycomb, Honeydew, Honeybee, Buzzin', Manuka, Melissa, Bumblebee, Ambrosia, they're all related to honeys, so I do love this little one. So the next palette that I will be reviewing on my channel is this one. It is called the Gingerbread palette, and it's just got the white chocolate bar with the gingery colour up here, but when you open it and when you see it, you'll see why this is the next palette I will review. Just look at them colours. There's a little bit of pops of colours, some nice neutral shades in there, and you can actually get away with wearing this every day. So again, this is the next palette for me to review because I feel like I can do something a bit more than all the neutral looks that I like to use. Well, I do love a good brown tone colour. So yeah, this is Gingerbread. The next one comes in this like shiny orangey colour, and they all look like, you know, like see-through and glass. And this one is a face palette, I presume, because there's always a face palette now, and it's called Toffee Apple. And inside it has 1 bronzer, 1 contour, a highlight shade, I think 2 of them, and a blush. And yeah, this is Toffee Apple. Names are, the first one, which is your bronzer, is called Toffee Apple. Then it's called Glaze. Then Dipped, Crumble, and Cake Pop. And they all have these. So yeah. A nice little addition, a little face palette. And maybe I will review one of these face palettes. I think I have like 3. So yeah. I haven't used one of these in ages. And this is called Marshmallow. And it is just a lovely array of like bronzy colours, and then you've got like a nice pink colour in there. And yeah, let's swatch all of these individually, and then I'm going to swatch them all together. So that's all of them singly, and I think I love this one the best, which is just this bronzy shade here. And when swatched all together, it is this shade here, which literally reminds me of a marshmallow mixed, like dipped in a candy cane. So right now, they're actually on a 1/3 off. So I got mine for £30 instead of 40. And to be fair, I don't think it's worth £40 because 3 palettes, they're usually £9 each. So what's that, £27. Then a I Heart Revolution highlighter, which are usually a £5. So that's what, £32. So really and truly, I've saved £2 in this gift set. Don't get me wrong, they're probably charging a little bit more just because of the packaging. But initially, it's not worth £40 to me. So wait till they go on offer. Usually after Christmas, they'll go on an even better offer. But I thought I'd just film this unboxing video for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. And I'll see you soon. Bye guys.